Hello, entrepreneur. One of the things I always talk about is how important bookkeeping is. And bookkeeping, any type of financial management, separates your hustle and moves it into a business. There is nothing wrong with a hustle as long as it doesn't remain a hustle. And I say that because one thing for sure, a hustle is something you do without thinking, without planning, without building, without strategy. So you can do it, you will obtain money, but it is a constant cycle. It never stops. So everything you obtain runs through your hands and you're never able to retain it or to build on it because you're constantly, it's a cycle, it's an evolving cycle. Often when you're doing a hustle, you can never tell whether you're making a profit or not because it is such a hustle. It feels like it, there's money that you touch, but when you go back and look, then it doesn't improve your financial situation. You know how you hear, and we just heard about the Forbes coming out with the wealthiest people? Your net worth means that you have to retain something in order to have a net worth. Many people, their net worth is only whatever they make in a year based on a W-2. And often when you go to look at the bank account, you don't see that money. So once they get through, even what they make, that's not even their net worth. In order to build a net worth, in order to build wealth, in order to get financially independent, in order to become wealthy, or even just to be rich, you have to be able to document what you are making. It is the only way you can look at it, and it is the only way that you can retain what you're gaining. That's why the hustle must become a business. Don't get me wrong, you can start out hustling, but if you don't ever make the transition, and if doing the hustle becomes more important than adding the strategy and adding the bookkeeping, you will never have anything. You'll work all your life and never have anything. That's why people that hustle, they always have to keep working. There's nothing built. There's nothing for them to fall back on. There's nothing for them to draw from. That's why you hear people talk about you must have more than one form of income. And even when you have a different form, don't get fooled. You got to be able to track what you're doing so that you know what it is that's worthwhile. We're talking financial management, and we're talking moving your hustle into a real business. It's going to take sacrifice. It's going to take strategy, and you need a coach. Give me a call. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee of Doing Business Better. Bye-bye.